What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of R Cube, also known as Raptors.
Revealing ruses.
My name is Lizard Queen.
And I'm the Lizard King.
And today, we're here to reveal the mystery of Mr. Elon Musk and Mr. Jeff Bezos. If you aren't familiar with who these people are, Elon Musk owns Tesla.
I say Tesla.
You say both, okay.
Tesla? I think I'd probably say it with a slight Z sound. I haven't thought about it. I say Tesla, yeah.
Yeah, you say Tesla.
It's with
He's also very attractive.
I've been really trying, baby.
And then we have Jeff Bezos, the richest man in the world as of July 2017. And currently he is worth $150 billion. He's also the owner of Amazon. And the conspiracy is he is in fact a robot.
While Mr. Elon Musk is in fact an alien.
Because I'm an alien.
So, let's get into it. Elon Musk, he gets up at 7 a.m. every day, goes to bed at 1 a.m. He does not eat breakfast. He works in 5-minute intervals, which is all very peculiar. But we looked at his space company called SpaceX, which is currently trying to explore the boundaries of space. Now, why would he want to do that? To return to his family.
And not to mention, he is currently dating a very popular alternative music singer. Her name is Grimes. If you've ever seen her, look up a picture of her. She's not human. She is not. I refuse to listen to her talk, listen to her music. An alien.
Elon Musk used to be bald and actually got hair plugs to cover up the fact that he was an alien.
One of his 5 sons, is named Nevada. And you know what's in Nevada?
Area 51. So he's from South Africa, Canada, and the U.S. He has citizenship in all those places.
Where is South Africa?
Not on Earth.
No, it's not. It's in the south of Africa, but if you go to the south of Africa...
There's nothing there.
Antarctica, actually. And you know what's on Antarctica?
Aliens.
We don't know. Aliens. That's probably where they are. Have you been to Antarctica? Exactly.
Elon Musk has. Took his Tesla down.
That's where his family's from.
So we have this alien trying to control our economy, go back to its family, making self-driving cars.
One of the biggest, space businesses right now.
And that's only Elon Musk. We haven't even gotten started on Jeff Bezos. We actually have a secret message given by one of our sources about Jeff Bezos being a robot. We're going to deliver it via ASMR style, as we do all our secret messages, just so our security is protected.
Yes. Jeff Bezos is a robot. Jeff Bezos. His circuitry was made by the U.S. government.
Hopefully you caught most of that.
And that concludes our ASMR segment.
Back to Mr. Bezos. He has very weird eating habits, in fact. There's a picture of him eating iguanas.
Yeah, and iguanas, as you know, are basically modern-day dinosaurs and lizards.
I think we don't even need to explain that even more.
Oh, no.
He also, for breakfast, eats a lot of octopus.
Which
I think this is
very
what
strange.
he's programmed to believe is normal for humans, which is really not. But also, we looked at his daily schedule, and he schedules his most important meetings around 10 a.m. In the afternoon, he doesn't really do anything, and in fact, he must get 8 hours of sleep every night or he's not productive. That's when he's charging.
Yeah, think about it. Who really gets 8 hours of sleep?
Nobody.
And if you're that advanced and that large of a robot, you probably need those 8 hours to charge.
He also wakes up naturally without an alarm clock.
Who does that? No one.
Have you
Robots
met a
do.
human that does that?
Consistently, every day at the same time. Goes to bed at the same time, wakes up at the same time.
Now, when this war of drones and Teslas eventually comes around, because it will.
Mm-hmm.
Who do you think will win? Elon Musk has potential we haven't even tapped into yet, and that's my job.
As his future wife, I will tap into him. You can count on that.
Well, as for Jeff Bezos, think about the money that man has. Well, robot, but think about all of the legions of other robots he could be building. He already has drones. He's taken over the economy. He is the economy. So basically, Bezos is going to bring about the singularity when technology will take over. He will literally be controlling everything: internet, GPS, satellite, the Teslas themselves. They're going to start hitting people. And what will Elon do? He'll be...
I'll keep him distracted.
No. Bezos will be controlling all of Elon's technology. SpaceX will fall apart.
So what can you as viewers do to prevent this drone versus Tesla war? Easy. Don't support Amazon. Why not try supporting the U.S. Post Office for once? Send a letter. This is what the drone versus Tesla war will look like.
For the audience. Here, we have Jeff. And just...
Mr. Bezos. To you.
That's his robot face.
That's so accurate, though. Like, he actually looks
And
like
then
that.
here...
Whose voice is that?
The government's.
What? Oh no.
I'm from Russia.
Here we have Elon, and I don't know how to draw. Here's some alien antenna for you. It's the next step.
This is the future.
This is what the future looks like. This is the singularity.
I'm gonna have a tiebreaker come in over our Team Musk and Team Bezos. Rachel Mail, will you please come in? She's from the FBI. She's gonna tell us what's up and coming in the situation right now.
Here she is.
Good evening. I am personally...
Think about it.
I think about this every night
Team
before I
Bezos.
go to bed. And I have got to be Team Jeff Bezos. Because he is worth $150 billion. Which means he could buy
It's not
7
all about money.
Elon Musk's. 7.
Indeed, 7.
Elon Musk is only worth $20 billion. Which is...
What do you do with
change.
7
That's
Elon Musk?
yeah,
You
pocket
only
change.
need one.
Oh no. 7 alien Musks? I don't trust that.
What I would do with 7 Elon Musks.
Thank you for watching.
Join in soon for a discussion on historical figures, and be sure to tweet us whether you're Team Bezos or Team Musk.
You were the clock that was ticking in my home. Changed my state of mind.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Love so hard to find.
we got him.